Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to outline text in Procreate. So step 1, duplicate the layers. Once you have lettering or design how you want to it, then you will need to duplicate the layer twice. You should then have 3 layers of your design. Step 2, create a Gaussian blur. Select the second layer. This should be the middle layer. Then select adjustments in the top left corner. Select Gaussian blur or layer. Step 3, adjust the Gaussian blur. And step 4, combine the layers. Combine your bottom 2 letter layers to create one layer. Step 5, select the design using the selection tool. Step 6, create new layer. Step 7, fill in the outline. Proceed to draw on your new layer to fill in the outside of your lettering. You will then see the outline form. Step 8, turn off the select tool. Once your outline is complete, you can then deselect the selection tool. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.